Take this presentation as an example. In order to better explain the contents, I'll insert a table into this slide. Click Object in the Insert tab. A dialog box will pop up, where we could select Create New or Create from File. In the Create New interface, we can select different types of blank documents at the object type, but we need to edit them manually. In the Create from File interface, we can insert local documents, applications, audio files, video files, etc. Click the Browse button and choose the table we want. The option Link to File means that the inserted object will be linked with its source file. If we want them to change synchronously, check Link to File. We can also choose to display the embedded object as an icon. Check Display as Icon. Once set, click OK, and the table will be inserted into the slide. We can double-click the table if revision is required. Update the source file, and the changes will be displayed in the slide. Did you get it?